Hello everyone!
Thank you for watching and liking our previous smoothie videos. Today we're here with another smoothie video.
It is a mint pineapple smoothie, so let's get started. For the smoothie, we will need 2 cups of pineapple chunks, 3 to 4 ice cubes, 1 tablespoon of lime juice,
2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can also use white sugar if you want. 4 mint leaves, 1 inch of ginger cut into small pieces, and 1 cup of water. Now put all of your ingredients into the blender.
Now it is ready to blend.
Cheers! Please try this smoothie and tell us how it turned out in the comments.